Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and as someone who is a little bit bigger when it comes to my chest size, I'm always looking for the perfect bra. I was a little bit leery about buying on Amazon. However, this brand, HSIA, is actually a really good brand. I'm really impressed with this bra and the quality and construction of it. You can see in their description that they recommend buying true to size, and I would have to say I 100% agree. You can see that there is no bulging out of the back, and even on the sides, the bra has really great coverage. The back has 3 hooks, which is really good if you are bigger chested because you really want to be able to feel that everything is nice and secure. The straps that go over your shoulders are not the widest that you could find. However, I do like a pretty bra. I feel once they get wider, it just really kind of looks kind of old lady. And so I find that with this strap, it really feels nice and pretty, but at the same time, again, you're getting some really good support. The lace detailing on the front is not itchy material at all. Rather, it's just really pretty and soft, and it's just a really nice underwire bra. This bra provides me with some nice secure support. I would not go jogging with it. However, this is a really good bra for wearing under tops. I really feel that everything is lifted well and covered well, and I'm just really overall impressed with the quality and the really pretty detailing of this bra. And that's my point of view.